Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Ramakant and I'm a spoken English learner. In this video, I will talk about my English journey. Yes, my friend, today I'm creating this video after a long time. Whenever I create content for my Instagram and YouTube, I always create it with script. At first, I write a script and then I revise the script again and again. Once I feel comfortable with the script, I record the script. Otherwise, I don't do that. But today, I'm speaking from my heart. Whatever comes to my mind, I am just speaking. If I make a mistakes, I'm damn sure that I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes, and if I make a mistakes, still I will create content like this because I need to improve myself. And in order to improve myself, I have to speak like that. With script, I'm not gonna improve what I feel. I I have uploaded a lot of videos on my Instagram and YouTube. Now 90 days spoken English journey is going on my YouTube and Instagram as well. But I whatever I speak in my 90 days spoken English journey, I just write a script first and then I try to make the sentences correct. After that I speak. I revise that script again and again, and then I come to record myself in front of the camera. That's what I used to do. But from today onwards, I am going to speak from my heart. Whatever comes to my mind, I will speak. So let's start with my English journey. My friends, I come from an underprivileged family where no one speaks English. In my village, also, no one speaks English. I have a few friends who speaks English, but they don't talk to me in English. Whenever they understand English, they can speak in English if they want, but they will not talk to me in English because they always prefer to talk in our native language. If I talk to them in English, they are not very fluent in English. They can understand my English, they can speak a little bit, but they are not ready to speak to me in English. And that is why I'm not able to improve myself in a very uh, fast way. Means I'm not able to improve myself rapidly. So I'm trying to improve myself in a short period of time because I have been learning English for a long time, but I'm not consistent with my journey. I practiced English for a few days and then I would take a long break. After that, I come to practice English again. See what happens, my friends. I am a working professional. Sometimes I'm able to spend much time to this language. Sometimes I'm not able to spend a lot of time to learn English, right? Because I am a working professional. I stay away from my family members. I don't stay in my home. I stay in Mumbai, and my I come from a small village, district Baleshwar, a beautiful state from Odisha. But I am working here in Mumbai. I stay very far away from my family members and my friends. So I'm just investing some time to improve myself in this language because it has been a dream since my childhood to become fluent in English so that I can communicate with people in English, especially rich people. I just want to talk to them. I have that curiosity, I have that interest, I have that burning desire in myself. If I talk about my qualification background, I don't have a higher education. I completed my 10th in 2018 in Odisha. After that, I came to Mumbai for work purpose. I started doing work in Mumbai as a helper in canteen. I work in the hospitality industry. Okay, so I started working as a helper in the kitchen, and initially I faced a lot of problems and difficulties. I was not able to speak Hindi properly. I was afraid of talking to people in Hindi. I was thinking that if I say something wrong, what they would say, they will, if they will react something, what will I do? I don't have anyone here in Mumbai. I stay alone. I have a little friends right now in Mumbai. I have a few friends in Mumbai right now. I don't have a lot of friends as well. So I was afraid of staying here in a new location. Mumbai is a very big city, right? It is the most uh, biggest cities in India. So I was afraid of staying in Mumbai in the initially time, but right now I feel very comfortable to stay here in Mumbai because I have been staying here for the last 8 years. It's been almost 8 years I have been staying here. So I feel comfortable to stay here right now. But I don't have a higher education. In order to reach a good level, in order to grow in my life, I need to do something, right? I need to be good at my skills, in my professional skills, with good I need to have good communication skills in order to grow in my life. So that is why I have taken this step to speak English in front of the camera every single day. Let's see how I'm improving. But today I'm working as a cook by the grace of God. While working in the kitchen, I learned how to cut vegetables, how to cut soup, salad, sweet, everything. Actually, when I started working in the hospitality industry, I did not know how to work in the hospitality industry. And the people who were working in the kitchen, they were making me work a lot because I did not know how to work in the kitchen. So I used to help them with cutting vegetables, making soup, salad, and sweet, whatever it is, whatever they were asking me, I was just following their instructions. That's it. But by the grace of God, slowly and slowly, I am able to make food right now. Right now, I am working at a guest house, and whenever any guest come to this guest house, I speak to them in English in order to improve my communication skills, especially in this language. They talk to me in Hindi, so I reply to them in English. I just tell them I want to improve my English. That's why I'm talking to you in English. You can talk to me in English as well. I know English a little bit, I understand English, I can talk to you and reply to you in English. And they feel very happy about it. They say that you are doing good, and you should keep doing like this, and definitely you will able to speak good English in your future. So uh, they compel me, sometimes they motivate me and encourage me to speak English. So I thought, if they are supporting me, then why I can't grow, why I can't practice English, why I can't invest at least a few uh, minutes in this language. That few minutes will help me to build confidence and improve this language. So, my friends, I think if you are watching a beginner or an intermediate level, you can watch this video, you can understand it. And if you are a very advanced English speaker, you may not watch this video till the end. Because why you will watch this video till the end? You will watch very advanced English speakers, the speakers who speak English very fluently, like a pro. You will watch those videos, because I am a upper beginner level, you can say, or I am an intermediate level, you can say, or I don't know the what level I am right now. You can guide me, you can support me, and you can motivate me if you want, so that I can speak a little more. If you know, your motivation will help me to speak more, learn more, and uh, grow more in my life. And that's what I would like to say here. I did not share anything about my English journey, like when did I start, how did I start to speak English, what was my English level at the beginning. To be honest with you, my friends, I was not good at English at all. I was not able to speak English at all. I was not able to understand at all. If you ask me a question in English, I was like, my mind will go blank. I'll not be able to say anything in English. Actually, I did not know how to speak in English at all in the beginning, but I struggled a lot. I faced many challenges. Now I'm able to speak English a little bit That's what I feel very proud of myself. I feel that now I'm able to speak English, I'm able to hold a conversation for some time, right? So, see, my friends, English is just a language. I feel like that. English is just a language. If we don't talk, how will we speak? If we don't talk to people in English, how our English will improve? Our English will not improve at all if we don't talk to people in English. In order to speak better English, we need to talk to people in English. Whether if we make mistakes, if we make mistakes, we will grow. Without any mistakes, we will not be able to learn English at all. That's what I feel. Even my guest, they suggest like this: if you don't make any mistakes, how will you learn? We learned English by practicing, by making mistakes, by facing a lot of difficulty in our initial stage, in the beginning. But now it's your beginning time. You have to face problem. You have to overcome every challenges that will come to your path. So whenever any problems and difficulties comes to my path, I just try to overcome it with my courage and with my determination and consistency. I don't break my consistency while practicing English. I try to invest at least half an hour to this language every single day. I listen and I listen to English content and read English book for 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. I don't read much, because if I read much, my mind will not accept it. Okay, I will not be able to remember whatever I learn. So that's why I don't read much. I listen to English content while preparing food, while doing any other activities. I always try to think in English, and these are the some things. Like, these things help me to improve my English a little bit every single day. And one more thing, I don't compare myself with others. For example, if I watch if I watch a very fluent speaker, I can't compare myself with him. If I compare myself with him, I will feel demotivated, because I will think that he speaks English really well. I'm not able to speak English. People will criticize me or make fun of me. People will judge me, judge my mistakes, my confidence. I don't think like that. If I think like that, I'll not be able to grow. I just need to compare myself with yesterday. How I was yesterday, how I am today, and how I will be tomorrow. If I work a little hard, if I practice English every single day, I can make myself better for tomorrow. So if I compare myself with others, what will happen? I will just demotivate myself. So I don't do that. I just compare myself with yesterday. That's it. I ask myself, what did I learn today? How did I spend my time? Did I squander my time today? How I am utilizing my time, because time is more valuable than anything. If you are squandering your time, that time will never come back to you in your entire life. It's gone means gone. So I always try to utilize my time in a proper way, so that I can get something from it. If I'm learning something, I just learn it with my good heart. I learn it wholeheartedly. If I'm listening something, I don't listen like that, like listening a music. See, my friends, when we are trying to do something, we focus it, we pay 100% attention to it, right? But when we are when we are taking something lightly or casually, we don't care what is happening, what is going on. But when we are trying to do something from our heart, honestly, when we are trying to do something honestly, at that time we put our 100% effort. So since I am a spoken English learner and I am trying to improve myself, I am investing a lot of time to learn this language. So I will always try to focus while reading, while listening, how a sentence is spoken, how people are speaking in this language, what words or phrases they are using in a sentence, right? I just focus that while listening, while reading I notice that what is the new vocabulary, like how I can improve my vocabulary, and what is the new word for me. For example, I'm reading something and I'm not able to understand a line or a word. I note down that word on my notebook. I have a diary for notebook. I have written plenty of words on my notebook. Sometimes I revise my previous vocabulary. I learn some new vocabulary every day. Also, I write them down on my notebook, and I try to implement in my conversation. So whenever I talk to people in English, I hesitate, I fumble. Sometimes I look for words because I don't have enough words in my mind. That's why I look for words. I hesitate, I fumble. I sometimes I'm not able to form a sentence correctly. I repeat one sentence again and again. You have noticed that I speak English, but I repeat the sentence twice, thrice, again and again, because I take some time, and I give some time to my mind to think and speak. That's why I do that. But I try to reduce this habit, because this is not a good habit. I'm trying my level best to speak English without repetition any sentences. It will take some time, but it will be done, I hope that. And this is how I do, my friends. So I will tell you um, about my English journey in the next video. And you can tell me, guys, how I speak, what's my English level, and how I can improve my English to next level, means how I can take my spoken English to next level. What are the things I need to do? You can tell me, guys. I spoke with my good heart. I did not script, I did not write any script for this video. And I whatever came to my mind, I spoke with my heart. You can tell me how my English level, what is my English level, and where I need to work on to improve my English. You tell me, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's learn together and grow together. Thank you for watching, my dear friends.